Hey guys, Money Maniacs coming to you today. We have a unboxing video for you. We just got this in the mail today, obviously. Some cool coins that we're going to show you that we just bought and we picked up. So we'll get right into it. Go ahead. That's the other half of Money Maniacs here. She likes opening the packages. As you can see from her clover on her hand there. You can't see what they're doing. Okay, keep it down here. And cutting the cardboard. Might be able to, can't just rip it open? I don't know. I don't know how well they've glued it or not glued it. Yeah, there it goes. Or not. Try to get into it here. Sorry it's taking so long, guys. Trying to get into it here a little bit quicker. There we go. There we go. Now what we have here, is we got some P&D 2007 proof set, dollar coins, quarters, P&D from the 2007 mint. See if I can, yeah, see this one here is the Denver mint. This one here is a Philadelphia mint. I'll open them up and try to put them down here. We got George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and we got, looks like Sacagawea. And then the same over here. State quarters is Montana, Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah. Again, same over here. Just a real cool video. Half dollar, dime, penny, nickel. Half dollar, dime, penny, nickel. Just really a nice presentation with the dollar coins, the quarters. You don't see too many of, things of this nature of these here. Put them back here. Try them around here. We can see here. But just a cool presentation overall of coins that are in their mint state. We just wanted to, like I said, do a really quick video for you guys just to do an unboxing, show you some cool coins that we picked up from the mail. Like I said, we are Money Maniacs. We do a little bit of everything. Our main focus is silver, but we do all types of currency, coins, things of that nature. If you like the video, hit subscribe, like us. We've told you before, we love talking to you guys about this stuff all the time, every time. But yeah, if you guys want to see something, let us know. If you guys want something different, let us know. So until next time, this is Money Maniac signing out. Have a great day.